Masters Inc., the strongest team in the streets.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Wait a minute, motherfuckers!
Ain't a hood nigga, but a nigga from the hood. See, mama stayed on me, so I turned out pretty good. But if you wanna try, suck a Nike, we can do it. Sleep. Tylenol PM if I pull it, sheep. Count 'em for the rest of your life. Yeah, your partner got away, but now he vegetable-like. So I send his mom and dad a whole case of V8. He could die any second. How much longer it's gonna take? Gon' get it over with. Oh, what if you were in my loafers? Then you might be the dopest. I would flush it down the toilet like the boys in blue when they come through with the moves and they kicking down the door and they don't care who they shoot, but we do care who they shoot. So we do what we must do. So we act like we run track, then we run straight to the back. But they coming from the back, so we run back to the front. They say get down on your knees. We say what the fuck you want? They want cheese, they want bread, they want dough, they want more than I wanna give them. But if I keep talking, they won't know that my cousin in the back, and we call him rotor rooter / plumber, cash runner, and he fire on them computers. Log out.
Fuck niggas wanna jack shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boys in the crack. Fuck niggas wanna jack shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Shout out to the rich boy, we all wanna be rich boy. Alabama bricks a boy, trying to get them big toys. 212 motoring, tell Harry throw some D's on the bitch. Now I'm getting fly, couple G's on the fit. I'm at the jeweler now, throw some freeze on the bitch. I got a chest cold and I might sneeze on the bitch. We at the strip club, we throw some G's on that bitch. Cause we ballin'. We all outcasts, hot cars we copping cash. Chop shop to add stash, cop cars can kiss my ass. The car wash, my whip's glowing. No tints, we fish bowling. No top, the pit's blowing. And we go hard, zone 4, D-boy squad. We don't need the bars, coach's lawyer, baby, just to beat the charge. We got a fetish, copping speedy cars. Charge it to my Visa card, they never thought that we get lost.
Lunatic sitting fat, St. Louis on the map, 69 wet black. I just got my cutty back, throw some D's on that hoe. I just got my cutty back, throw some D's on that hoe. I just got my cutty back.
How could I slip? How could I fall? When your baby mama got my poster high up on her wall, and that ain't all, she didn't give me them draws.
I'm Murphy Lee, please tell your sexy little sister I called. Last time she asked me for some money, I was
hell to the law.
But now I'm rich and she can get it. See these D's match my fitted. My vein is banana split it. Inside is totally ignorant, outside is totally kidded. To be Pacific is wicked, how them dirty boys get it. That Buick Regal done did it. My Monte Carlo terrific. That Eldorado got switches. Tamika and them, I done hit it. That 20 mil, I done spent it. That house on the hill, I live it, man.
And that diamond herringbone,
You know them niggas walk up in the strip club looking for a big buzz. Shorty wanna get bugged. I brought about 10 bucks. Throw some ones on the mo. I brought about 10 bucks. Throw some ones on the mo. I brought about 10 bucks.
Rich boy, silly quick, broke niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac.
Ay, it's rich boy, baby girl, I'm a baller. I dropped the hit and had to go park my Impala. I threw them G's on that leg and now it's taller. They see the wheels on my feeling, so they holler. They get the dollar. I got the Batman leg, took it to the paint shop and got the Batman black. Prime hold the jacket with my Tokyo and Peters on. Hold on, even call my phone if you ain't gonna give me down. So fuck you haters, I see you later. My CP-gator in my escalator. Mama told me put some D's on it, son, you got it wrong. So I took the 20s off and put the monster wheels on it.
Quick, broke niggas wanna jack shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boys in the crack, broke niggas wanna jack shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac.
All red Chevrolet, 26s riding high. Dukes that has the doors in Compton, we call them suicides. Suede roof, leather seats, wood grain steering wheel, candy apple hard top, game logo on the grill. California license plate, riding through the ATL. Keep my tires bald, I never leave a paper trail. Nah, I'ma keep it clean. Ball when I hit the scene, elbow out the window, show 'em how the gangster lean. Put Cali on the map, west side on my back, hometown on my face, 45 on my lap, 20 in my earlobe, 100 on my neck piece. Just bought a Bentley, nigga, and I'ma throw some D's on that bitch. Pull up at the Ram shopping, throw some D's on that bitch. Might as well cut the top. Let the sun shine in and the bass jump out. Hit the block, 15 vibrating the whole fucking house.
Big boy, sell it quick, broke niggas wanna jet. Shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.